Hi all, welcome back to Welded Daydreams. Just a quick update on the jet bike. So I've done a little bit more work routing the exhaust to get the turbo up above where it needs to be for maximum wheel travel. And I've got the transmission mocked up as well. So I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the wheel at full travel. Started mocking up the compound system as well. And you can see that exhaust system is extended up. If we come around the other side, you can see the go-kart CVT transmission using the jug converter, torque converter, whatever Go Power Sports calls it. Hooray for US shipping times. That torque converter is rated for 18 horsepower, give or take. So if I can fry the belt on that, I'll call that a win. Apart from that, not really a whole lot to update, but it's starting to come together now. Obviously I've got a bit more chassis to extend out the back to support the weight of those turbos hanging off, but that's a project for another day. See you next time.